Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 6, different foods we eat. In today's session, we are going to learn about bodybuilding food. The nutrient proteins help us to build our body and muscles. The food rich in proteins are fish, cheese, milk, eggs, dal and meat. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 6, different foods we eat. Topic, body building food. Do you know, children, which nutrient help us for our growth? Yes, it is protein. What is protein? Protein is a large group of nitrogenous organic compounds that are essential constituents of living cells. Consist of polymers of amino acids. They are joined together by the peptide bonds, essential in the diet of animals for growth and for repair of tissues, can be obtained from meat, eggs and milk. So children, proteins are polymers, otherwise they call macromolecules. Macro means big molecules made of monomers called amino acids. All proteins are made of 20 different amino acids linked in different orders. Proteins are used to build cells, act as hormones and enzymes, and do much of the work in a cell. Proteins has a critical physiological function in our body. Proteins is primarily used in the body to build, maintain and repair body tissues. In the event that protein intake is greater than that required by the body for these primary functions, excessive protein is converted to energy for immediate use or stored in the body as fat. Protein energy will be used only after other energy sources, carbohydrates and fats, are exhausted or unavailable. Here given some of the muscles building food. They are egg, spinach, fruits, oats, banana, almonds, broccoli, sweet potato, flax seeds, vegetables, milk, avocado and peanut butter. Now let us learn the functions of protein. Protein help for growth, repair and maintenance of our body cells, needed for the healthy growth of our body, to replace worn out cells and tissues or to repair the damaged ones. The proteins helps in formations of enzymes. Enzymes help to speed up numerous chemical reactions in our body. Example, digestive enzymes are needed to break food into smaller substances during the process of digestion. Don't you all want to grow bigger and stronger? This happens when we eat food which contain nutrients called proteins. These nutrients also help our body to repair itself after an illness or injury. Food such as milk, cheese, beans, pulses, eggs, fish and meat contain proteins. Food provides the materials needed to build, repair and maintain body tissues. Proteins, fats and minerals are the best nutrients for growth. Growing bodies are needed extra amounts of these nutrients. Every person, whether growing or not, is going through a continual repair process of replacing injured or dead cells. Proteins are often called the body building blocks. They are used to build and repair tissues. They help you fight infections. Your body uses extra protein for energy. The brain needs a steady supply of amino acids to maintain concentration and energy level. Feeding the brain these amino acids from protein can help do this. High protein diet will aid for fat loss. And also, high protein diet helps build muscles. Our body needs 22 amino acids to function. 13 of these our body can create by itself. These are known as non-essential amino acids. The remainder comes from our diet, known as essential amino acids. Foods containing the remaining amino acids come in the form of complete or incomplete protein sources. Finally, we recall the 6 main functions of proteins. They are growth, maintenance of tissues, repair of tissues, manufacturing of enzymes, manufacturing of hormones, manufacturing of antibodies. I hope you got clear information about bodybuilding food. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.